more vibrant the algae typically is the rule. The more vibrant the color, the hotter the water. That's usually how you can tell. You get these bright greens and burnt oranges. This is a fantastic spot. I love this area. Sometimes I get larger groups, they just want to hang in the spring down there, which I don't blame them either. So it's always a treat for me to be able to come up here to this section of the canyon and really see this weeping wall here. It's just absolutely fantastic. That's like a hot shower too, dumping out of here. You can just soak right in there in case you didn't shower this morning.
Oh. Beautiful. What are you doing on?
Always good for a quick rinse. If you like a really hot shower though.
Hold on.
Woo! Oh yeah. Give it hell. Get on in there. Whoa! You okay?
Yeah.
You sure you're right?
Yeah.
Alright, he wasn't filming.
I didn't get that on video.
Yeah, I know. Good example of how slippery it is.
And how quickly it can happen.
Oh yeah, it's like ice. Yup, your bum will be hurting tomorrow. If at all you start to feel any pain from that today, I have plenty pain management on the boat. Yeah. I have Advils and everything. Let's see if we can get 2 slips in one shot.
Oh man, that's beautiful. That's hot eyes, right?
Yeah, it's hot. Wow. Really cool. A lot of water dumping in here. Ultimately, there's another spring further up canyon. That's it's a little too hot for my comfort. It has an opportunity to cool down a little bit and get to that perfect temp right where we were down there.
It gets hotter up there.
Yeah, it gets hotter as you get closer to the source. Yeah.
What's the source?
The Earth's crust is thin. And the magma is heating water up. It's aquifer, yeah. So, and then it gets pressurized and it finds an escape. There's 3 different types of escape. It'll be through a fault line where it'll kind of weep like this. It'll bellow out of the ground, or it'll just get so pressurized that it'll find any pocket in the rocks and kind of shoot out. Like we saw at our first spot where we were dipping our hands in the water. That was just a flat rock wall where it found a little crevice and shot out. Really neat. All right, we'll start to head back down. Definitely be careful on the way down. Good spot to slip. I know I sound redundant, but someone always falls, so I have like PTSD from it because I never know when it's going to happen. Sometimes it's me too. Sometimes as I'm saying it, I fall. But this is a killer spot. It's beautiful. Yeah, the reason it's called Gold Strike is this was an attempt at a gold mining operation back here. In a moment, you're going to be able to see a ladder up there that takes you up to the top of this cliff. Nevada's loaded with gold, arguably the most gold-rich state in the country. However, to get it, you have to crush rock. So it's not very cost-effective out here. As opposed to where you can shelf down and use the dirt, get to bedrock, and it'll be settled along the bedrock. This is all volcanic basalt from 13 million years ago. So it's hard to access that gold.
Oh, I wasn't looking high enough. I'm like, where's this level? Wow.
Giga.
You guys have all your personal items from here? Alright, this is what I wanted to really be talking. This is easy to just feel out and let you tell them. I'm trying to get the gas on these. I caught a spider, check that out. Yeah, so that sting immobilizes the spider, causes paralysis. It's gonna then drag it to its burrow, where it'll lay eggs on it. And its young will host on that spider. Now this is a smaller version of what we're going to see later today with tarantula hawks, our largest stinging insect out here. They'll get 2 inches in length. They sting a tarantula, paralyze it, drag it all the way back to its burrow. Second most painful sting of any insect in the world.
Yep, thanks. We know about ice.
Me too, I'm from upstate New York. Oh, there we go. Items to take with us. When we relaunch, I'm just going to kind of train you guys. We're going to grab our front seat handle of our boat. We're going to point it in this direction. We're going to get in our boat, choose to drop your rudder down right here. We're going to squeak right through this rushing water. After this section, You don't have to be glued behind me anymore. Feel free to paddle in front of me right